welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do the whisper challenge. We're going to have 3 different rounds, and I'm going to say something to her, and she's going to have to try and say it to her, and then she's going to say out loud what it is. We're going to have 3 rounds. First round, I'm telling. Second round, she'll make it up, and third round, she'll make it up. So let's get started. Giraffes have long necks. A giraffe says something.
Could you do that again?
The giraffe says something.
The giraffe sticks something.
I got giraffe. I don't know. The original was the giraffes have long necks. So off. Okay. Elephants are super fat. Elephants are super fat. Elephants are super fat.
Elephants are super fat?
Yeah, you got it.
Is it right? Oh yeah! My music stopped, don't do it!
Monkeys are super cuddly. Monkeys are super cuddly. Big, I don't know. Big, nothing. I don't know.
I literally didn't get any of that.
I said monkeys are very cuddly.
Oh,
they're not cuddly.
Penguins have slick feathers. Penguins have slick feathers. Bears have sticky fingers. Bears have sticky fingers.
Pears have sticky lingers. Penguins have slick feathers.
Slick is such a hard word.
It's the first word that popped in my mind.
Whales are very big.
Whales are very big. Whales are very big.
Whales are very pig.
Close. Whales are very big.
You said big!
I said big.
She said big. I heard it.
The pigs are very cute. The pigs are very cute. The bears are very cool. The bears are very cool.
The bears have a pool.
The pigs are very cute.
She said the bears. I just said something else.
Tigers have a lot of stripes. Tigers have a lot of stripes.
Tigers have a lot of stripes.
The tigers have lots of stripes?
Tigers have a lot of stripes.
Oh, okay. Close.
Pandas are big, cuddly creatures.
Pandas are pink and mortgages. Pandas are pink and mortgages. Pandas are pink and mortgages.
Bases have big mortgages, and I'm like,
I said pandas are pink and mortgages.
Pandas are big, cuddly creatures.
oh my god.
I got pink and mortgages.
I
didn't even say
got
big, I
mortgages,
said
but I
big.
was like trying to piece together everything else. I was
I
like,
never said. Oh.
I thought you said a B word, like base.
No.
The zookeeper loves his job.
What?
The zookeeper loves his job.
The door loves Kate's job. The door loves Kate's job. The door loves Kate's job. The door loves Kate's job.
Something, 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 shop.
I said the door loves Kate's job. Now, what did you say?
The zookeeper loves his job.
Oh, I was close. I got job.
You love.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. If you like, leave a like down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!